Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickUp dashboards for sprint reporting, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the specific workspace where you want to configure your dashboard. Click on the Dashboards option found in the sidebar. Select Create Dashboard to start a new dashboard setup. Give your dashboard a relevant name that reflects its purpose, such as Sprint Reporting. Choose a layout that best fits your reporting needs, like grid or list view. Now, click on the Add Widget button to start populating your dashboard. You will see various widget options available for reporting. Select the Sprint widget to specifically track sprint progress. Configure the widget settings by choosing the desired sprint timeframe. Decide what metrics you want to include, such as completed tasks, in progress. Adjust the display options based on whether you prefer a pie chart, bar chart, or list format. After configuring each widget, click Save to ensure your settings are stored. Repeat the process to add additional widgets, such as task list or velocity chart. Arrange your widgets on the dashboard by dragging them to your preferred location. Once all widgets are added, preview the dashboard to see how it looks. Make any necessary adjustments to widget sizes or positions for optimal clarity. You can also customize the color scheme to match your branding or preferences. With everything configured, review the entire dashboard for accuracy and relevance. Finally, share the dashboard with your team or stakeholders for collaborative viewing. You have now successfully configured a ClickUp dashboard for sprint reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.